Japan is one of those destinations that feels completely different from anywhere else. In just 9 days, you can experience futuristic cities, ancient temples, efficient transport, and some of the best food in the world. If you are planning a trip and unsure how to structure it, this guide gives you a simple and well-paced 9-day Japan itinerary. Let's begin. Days 1 to 3, exploring Tokyo. Your journey begins in Tokyo, Japan's vibrant capital. This is a city where tradition and technology exist side by side. Start with famous districts like Shibuya, home to the iconic crossing, and Shinjuku, known for its skyline and lively atmosphere. Visit the historic Asakusa area, where you will find the beautiful Sensoji Temple, one of Tokyo's oldest landmarks. You can also explore Harajuku for its unique fashion and culture, or enjoy panoramic views from one of the city's observation decks. Tokyo is also a paradise for food lovers. Whether it is sushi, ramen, or street food, there is something for everyone. 3 days here give you enough time to experience the energy of the city without feeling rushed. Day 4, day trip to Mount Fuji and Hakone. On day 4, take a day trip to the Mount Fuji region. This is where you will experience Japan's natural beauty, with scenic lakes, mountain views, and peaceful surroundings. Hakone is a popular base for this, offering views of Mount Fuji on clear days, as well as hot springs and ropeway experiences. It is a refreshing break from the fast pace of Tokyo. Days 5 to 6. Cultural Kyoto. Next, take the high-speed bullet train to Kyoto. The journey itself is an experience and a great way to see the Japanese countryside. Kyoto is the cultural heart of Japan, known for its temples, shrines, and traditional streets. Visit the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine with its thousands of red torii gates and the stunning Kinkaku-ji, also known as the Golden Pavilion. Spend time walking through Gion, Kyoto's historic district, where you may even spot a geisha. Kyoto offers a slower, more traditional side of Japan, and 2 days here feel immersive and meaningful. Day 7. Day trip to Nara. From Kyoto, take a short trip to Nara. This charming city is known for its friendly deer that roam freely in Nara Park. Visit Todaiji Temple, home to one of the largest bronze Buddha statues in the world. It is a relaxed and enjoyable day that adds variety to your itinerary. Days 8 to 9. Osaka. Your final stop is Osaka, a lively and modern city known for its food and nightlife. Explore areas like Dotonbori, famous for its bright lights and street food scene. Osaka Castle is also worth a visit, offering a glimpse into Japan's history. Osaka has a more relaxed and fun atmosphere compared to Tokyo, making it a great place to end your trip. Use your final day for last-minute shopping, exploring, or simply enjoying the city before your flight home. This 9-day itinerary gives you a perfect balance of city life, culture, and unique experiences. From Tokyo's energy to Kyoto's tradition and Osaka's food scene, Japan offers something truly unforgettable. If you would prefer to experience all of this without the stress of organizing transport, hotels, and routes yourself, you can check the link in the description where everything is arranged for you. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.